taking forever to find the page. That's empty. It's a busy day. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Lincoln in the Adirondacks. Today I'm at Roaring Brook Falls. This is in the giant mountain wilderness area. Beautiful waterfall, nice tall cascade. It is October 12th and we are just at the end of peak foliage. This is a short hike, 1.6 miles. You can go to the lower part, you can go to the top part. Great views of several high peaks at the top part. Really, it's an awesome hike. And that's why we're out here today. It's like 5 p.m. So this is a good one to do like after work, or if you're short on time, just something to throw in at the end of the day, see an awesome waterfall and take in the beauty. This is the split. Go right, you go to the base of the falls. Go left, you go to the top of the falls, or you can go up to Giant Mountain if you want to. Giant is a great hike. I would definitely recommend it. Of course, it is a 46er. I also want to mention, you can actually see this waterfall from the road. As long as it's running, different times of year, it might be a little drier, but today was looking good. We have made it back to the junction. Now we're gonna go left. We just came from that direction. Parking lot is right there. This part of the hike is a lot more strenuous than the part to the lower. You can kind of see here, we're going uphill and this is pretty flat. That trail runs right there. Look at this. It's beautiful. With all the leaves down and everything. We're almost there. I've passed a couple people. We're almost to the shoulder season though. Between winter, fall and winter. Once that happens, the mountains are a ghost town for like 4 weeks. Good time to get out and enjoy it. All right, y'all, this is us. Top of falls to the right. Oh my God, the GoPro wasn't recording. I just went for a swim. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. That's not good. Like my bag. Oh no. Oh no, that was me being foolish, folks. I don't know if you can see me. Wow, I am soaked. Holy crap. I mean, soaked. I fell into that little hole right there. I took the wrong trail down. More excitement than I anticipated.